In this video, I am going to show you how to open Messenger in a browser. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead to Google Chrome or any browser, then type in Messenger, Facebook. After that, just click on the first link. As you can see, just double click on it, and now, as you can see, this is the Messenger page. You can continue as your Facebook account or switch accounts. So now just click on continue. After that, just give it a moment to load and you will be all good to go. So now you can type in the PIN to restore your search history from your phone, or you can just go ahead and restore them, and there you have it. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.